Nice to meet you all in one more session for revision with multiple choice questions. Observe the picture carefully. The picture depicts, what does it depict? Is it depicting a road, a theatre, a supermarket or a storeroom? Yes, the right answer is a supermarket. On to the next question. A person who buys goods from a shop is called a customer, a seller, a vendor or a marketing person. Yes, the right answer is a customer. A point at which goods are paid for in a supermarket. Where do you pay for all the things that you have purchased? Is it a checkout, the exit, entry or office? Yes, the right answer is checkout. A large rectangular four-wheeled wire provided for supermarket customers to collect goods for purchase. What is it called? Is it a basket, bag, trolley, bucket? Yes, the right answer is trolley. On to the next question. A person responsible for controlling or administrating an organization or group of staff in supermarket is a manager, biller, helper or worker. Yes, the right answer is a manager. The letters of a word are jumbled as RGOCIERS. Choose the correct one. What is the word which is jumbled this way? That we need to identify. Yes, you are right. It is groceries. Groceries means the pulses, the cereals and all that we get from a kirana shop are called groceries. GROCERIES, groceries. On to the next question. Which of the following do we purchase daily? What do we purchase daily? Is it furniture, milk, clothes or toys? Yes, the right answer is milk. We buy milk every day. A food made from pressed curds of milk is cheese, laddu, jaggery or butter? Yes, the right answer is cheese. Jaggery means the sweet that is made from sugarcane juice. That's called jaggery. Butter we make from the cream or the gelatin of the milk. Laddu you are all familiar with. So here the right answer is cheese. Which of the following is misspelled? Which is the wrong spelling? Yes, you are right. It is bread. BREAD, bread. Actually, that is the right spelling. Here it is misspelled. Choose the opposite word. We welcome to my humble abode. What is opposite of the word humble? Yes, it is proud. Humble opposite is proud. What do you mean by meek? Meek means weak, very feeble. That's called meek. On to the editing session. Now we need to correct the mistakes in the sentence. Margie even writing about it that night in her diary. Yeah, if you see this passage, it was a strange thing. So it is in past tense. So the next sentence also should be in past tense. So Margie even wrote is the right answer. If there was an auxiliary verb, you could have used writing. There is no auxiliary verb, so wrote is the right answer. She wrote, today Tommy find a real book. It was a very old book. Instead of find, what should be written? Is it found, finds, founded, founds? Yes, the right answer is Tommy found a real book. On to the next question. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him, because there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Instead of because, what is the right word that we need to use there? Yes, it is that. His grandfather told that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. It was awful funny. Instead of awful, what word should be used? Is it awesome, beautifully, awfully, happily? Yes, it is awfully. Awfully is the adverb. Awfully funny. So it was funny as well as awfully funny. How funny? In the sense it was awfully funny. They stood still in spite of moving the way. Instead of in spite of, what should we use? They stood still dash moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. So the right word is instead of. Instead of means in the place of, in the substitute of. So the right answer is instead of. Now we are with another worksheet. Observe the picture given below. Can you see? Yeah, here we see women in different professions. They are all successful in their professions. Now let's go into the objective type questions. The picture suggests us that the women are becoming doctors. Women cannot involve in all professions. Women can excel in all fields. Women are weaker compared to men. Yes, the right answer is women can excel in all fields. They are excelling. They are being successful in all the fields of this world. Match the following. Kiran Bedi, P.V. Sindhu, Sonia Gandhi. And in column B you have politics, civil servant, games. So Kiran Bedi is first IPS officer, woman IPS officer. So that is civil servant. P.V. Sindhu is badminton. And Sonia Gandhi is politics. So the right choice is 1B, 2C, 3A. So B is the right option. Women should depend on men for money and protection, have her own ability to protect herself and maintain the family, earn money for her family, be afraid of her in-laws. Yes, the right option is have her own ability to protect herself, to safeguard herself, to defend herself and maintain the family. On to the next question. Read the following statements and arrange them in a sequential order. How are we going to put them in the right order? Nowadays, they proved their talent in all walks of life. Slowly, they attained equal position with men. Long ago, women were confined. Confined means they were restricted only to the kitchens. In the later stages, they got good education. Yes, the right answer is long ago women were confined to kitchens. In later stages they got education. Slowly they attained equal position. Nowadays they proved their talent. So the right option is C, D, B, A. That is option B. On to the next question. Which scheme is offered by Telangana government for the marriage of a Hindu girl? Yes, the scheme is Kalyana Lakshmi. If there is a work of cleaning dishes, who would you prefer to assign? It is a work of a girl, so it should be assigned to a girl. It is a work of a boy, so it should be assigned to a boy. It can be assigned to both or it can be assigned to none. Yes, it can be assigned to both irrespective of their gender. It may be a boy or a girl. Both are equal. It can be assigned to both. Which of the following fields did women not enter yet? Army, literature, rocket launching technology? None. Yes, there is no field in which women have not entered. So, none is the right answer. Minimum legal age of a girl in India to get married is 18. Yeah, once a girl attains 18 years of age, she is eligible to get married. How do you respond towards eve teasing? Eve teasing is teasing the girls. How do you respond? I will fight with the culprits. I will dial to 100 or she team. I will run away from the scene. I will be helpless. Yes, I will dial to 100 or she team is the right answer, because she team is always ready to help us. They are waiting to help us. So we need to take that opportunity to safeguard ourselves in cases of trouble. Which of the following statements is correct? A bride should offer dowry to the bridegroom. A bridegroom should offer dowry to the bride. Dowry should not be a criteria for the marriage ritual. Parents should borrow money for the marriage. Yes, dowry should not be a criteria for the marriage ritual. This is the correct statement. On to the editing part. Domestic violence is an major problem in India. So what is the right form of the sentence? Yes, domestic violence is a major problem in India, not an major, because M is a consonant, so a major problem. Men beats up their wives. This is wrong. What should it be replaced with? What is the mistake there? Beats is a singular verb, whereas men is a plural subject. For plural subject, plural verb. So, men beat up their wives and abuse them is a right answer. These women are afraid to men. Instead of afraid to, what is the right word? These women are afraid of. Of is the accompanying word for afraid. Almost every country have a history of ill-treating women. Have. Have is a plural verb. Country is a singular subject. So, singular subject should have a singular verb. So, the right answer here is almost every country has a history of ill-treating women. On to the last question. Thus we see women empower is a need of the hour. Yeah, the right sentence formation for this sentence is, thus we see how women empowerment is a need of the hour. Thus we conclude with this session. I do believe this was useful to you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.